So today I'm going to be doing a pack opening, but I already opened the pack. So I'm doing this pack and a Nolan Ryan pack. I already opened this one too. But I haven't looked at the cards. So only Nolan Ryan. So I'm going to start with the Nolan Ryan. Since it's only that big. Then, okay, this, a dream come true. These are all Nolan Ryans. Then, that. The strikeouts 4,000. Throwing fastballs. First major league win. BP in Texas. Awesome power. Running in the outfield before the big game. Then the last card, it says a pleasant change for Nolan. I was reading those. Okay, time for the basketball now. That was the Nolan Ryan set. Time for these. Okay, starting with Darius Blasey, Devon Graham, Robert Covington, Bruce Lopez, Jonas Valanciunas. I have no idea. But he's like ripping it, the ball. Kevin Huerter. These last names are hard to say. Goran Dragic. Aaron Gordon. Ooh, I got the pack person. Luka Doncic. I don't know, Luka Doncic or Luka Doncic. Hey, I'm doing a video.
Oh, sorry.
Denny Avdija. Malk Beasley. Tobias Harris. Bojan Bogdanovic. I have no idea. Mike Conley. Will Barton. Jaylen Brown. Kelly Olynyk. Ooh. Kyrie Irving. Ooh. Kawhi Leonard. Steven Adams. Obi Toppin. That's how you say it, right? Anthony Edwards. Buddy Hield. Kessler Edwards. I see a shiny card in there. David Johnson. Miles McBride. Zaire Williams. This is the shiny card. My man, my dude, Giannis Antetokounmpo. And I see the back card. I'm gonna flip it right here. But I still have one more card. Okay. Giannis Antetokounmpo. That's a shiny card. Evan Mobley. And the last card. This is a sick card. Trae. Oh wait, you can see. Trae Young complete. Look at that. So our coolest cards today that we got are probably these two. That would have been cool if I got like a signed or a jersey card. That would have been amazing. But these are my two good cards that I got. Well, and yup, that's the cards I got today. But